Hey guys, so today we're going to demonstrate a dumbbell row. Now there's a few ways of doing this exercise. I'm going to show you a few ways what I feel is best for this movement in itself. So we have a dumbbell here. Now the way I like to do this exercise is, if you have a bench, which most people do have, I will set it up like this, put it on an incline, have my hand set up against this bench. My foot placement is here. So remember, the idea here is to keep yourself as stable as you can. The more stable you are, the more stronger you are. So hand on here, pushing into the bench, leg pushing down into the ground, grabbing onto the dumbbell here. We want to stay in this angle. If you look at my back, it is neutral. So I'm keeping a neutral spine here. There's no curving in or out. Neutral spine. From here, we're pulling in and releasing out. So we want to try and focus on getting the lat as short as we can. So pulling in, squeezing, and releasing out. As you can see, I'm keeping my arm as close to my lat as possible. I am not letting it travel out. We're just pulling into our hips and back out. Nice and slow, make sure you feel it. Now, like I said, there's a few other ways of doing it. Some people will like to do it on a flat bench here, putting one knee on the bench, putting their hand here in this position, and pulling in and out. There's nothing wrong with this. It's totally fine. Some people will do it against a dumbbell rack. They just find it's easier. If you haven't got a bench, you could use anything to hold on to get you in that position. As long as you're in that position, you should be fine. So that was how to do the exercise. I'm going to show you a few things that people often do wrong in the gym. So some people, they'll have their legs like this, and they'll have a curved back here. We want to avoid doing a curved back movement. This puts your lower back at greater risk of injury. We also want to avoid any movement of the back during the exercise. So you don't want to just swing the weight up and move with it. We want to keep our back in position and there always. In and out. In and out. There's no jerking. There's no moving. We're keeping it here and out. Hopefully that helps. Peace.